Hello friends, today we are going to know about uh, one of the features of ice cream video editor software, that is image slideshow. In our field, especially teaching field, we need this software, or you can use it for your personal use too. Let me tell you how to use this to make image slideshow. First of all, you have to open image ice cream video editor. I told you how to download this and how to install it in the last video. What after opening this application, we have to select first of all image, then add files. We have to select the pictures, select the images which we want for. Say for example, this is there was a workshop on research methodology. I am taking it. Click if whatever the images you want. Suppose you want first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 images, then you can select. By selecting that images you can add them, otherwise you can select all and then click on open. All will be automatically added. Now see, all the images are added over here, and after adding it, whatever the image you want, suppose say for example you want this image in the very first place, just click here. It is on the second place, click here. Third place, you can click here, or you can click, you can select all by Control A and you can drag all the images over here. Now all the images are added. Look, all the 28 images are added, and some of the images are double. Let me delete them. Okay, now say for example if you want it on the very first place, then click on first. Look, it will be there in the very first place, second place, third one, fourth one, fifth one. If you want to change their order, you can change the order too. Suppose if you want it in the very in fourth place, you can change the number. You can change the number of this. You can drag over here by clicking the mouse, and in this way you can go for selection. Now what is there, this 0.05, it means all the images have the same duration, that is they will be appear whenever you will click here, they will be appear for 5 seconds. Means one image will be on the screen for 5 seconds. If you want to decrease their time, you can click just 4. You can click for first of all apply to all. Look, all the video, all the images will be for 4 seconds. Say for example if you want 3 seconds, click on apply to all 3 seconds. Now all the images will be for appear for 3 seconds. So in this way we have selected all the images for slideshow. If you want to give the title, just click on add color. Whatever the color you like, just select, click add, drag it here, give the title, click on text, write here. So it was workshop, so workshop on research methodology. So this is the title. Now where do you want this? If you want it middle, click middle. If you want it on the top, click top. If you want this side, click this side. If you want this side, this side. But generally we go for middle, and whatever the appearance you want, according to that you can click this looks better, I am going to keep it, and then click on done. Now this will be also for 3 seconds. If you want it for more seconds, then click on 5 seconds. So this first slide or this first image will be for on the screen for 5 seconds and all will be for 3 seconds. Now if you click here, there will be a video of slideshow, image slideshow. Automatically images will be slides. But with this, say for example, the first one, this is the program and this is the image. There is a person who actually he is our honorable principal of our college. If you want to show his name on the screen, what you have to do, click on text, click here Dr. SS, or you can write his name too, Suresh Bakre, comma principal. So this is type. Now it doesn't look good in middle, so what we will do, we'll keep here the lower part, and if you want to change its appearance, you can change it by selecting over here, here, oh, style. It looks good. I'm going to keep it and click on done. So you can and if you want to increase the time, you can go for the 5 seconds. You can do with all the images you want. Now how it will be seen, let me show you. Just click on play. Look, it will be there. After that, next image will be there. After that, another image will be there. After 3 seconds, the next image. Again after 3 seconds, next image. After 3 seconds, next image will be appeared. So this is what we call slideshow. If you want separator, if you want some transition over here, so click here with the plus symbol, click on wipe, whatever the thing you want to show, slide from right, this slide from top, this slide from left, slide from bottom, take this slide from top left, take this slide fade to black, take it as zoom out. Now see how they will be appeared in real video. Let me play. Look, this is what this is what we wrote, the title one. This is for 5 seconds. The next is for, look, now this name will be appear like this. Another one. Now look how images are sliding automatically with enhancement. Whatever we have given the command, according to them they are going to slide. Now here we didn't give any command to this plus sign, to this plus signs, so images are sliding without any effect. So you can give the effect by clicking plus symbol, and whatever you want from this menu list, from this list, you can go for that too. See now this 3, look the effect over here, look the effect over here, and here nothing is, they will be just slides, they will be just sliding automatically without any effect. Now in this way you can select the images and go for slideshow. Now say again, another one beauty of this software is you can give the silent music over here. Click on music. If you want to give the music while sliding the images, click on this music icon, add files, go where your music is kept. Let us take this, I don't know which music is there, but you can select according to your own choice. Now this is the music. This, let me keep, you have to after adding it, you have to drag it over here. So now it is dragged. Okay, now let us see how it will be played. Let's go for preview. this is what we done. Now just minimize it by clicking over here. Again, another thing I want to tell is, if you think this music volume should be more, you can go for more volume. If you want less volume, silent music, so silent music will be there. The fade in and fade out according to your effect. If you want any effect, then these are echo, chorus, robot voice. Some of the effects are there. You can choose them according to your choice, or you can go for reset to default. So it is default, and then click done. And friends, now all the images are selected. The effect in between the images is given, the title is given. At the end you can go for a thank you page. So click on this, click on add color, click whatever the color you like. Now drag this here at last, click here and click on text, type here thank you for watching this, and wherever you want, if you want in between you can here. Generally we go for between, in the middle of that, so it looks good. Click on done. It is gonna for 5 seconds. We can decrease the time also. Now friends, the preparation is over. After preparation is over, look how the video, now image slideshow video will be for 1 minute and 23 seconds. Click on export video. Now again you can rename it image slide show. You can choose the path where you want to save. Just click on desktop. It will be saved on desktop. Format MP4 format, SD quality. I am going for low quality. Low is also better in this ice cream, or you can go for medium and high according to your own choice, and click on export. Now look, it is going to be exported, and we have to wait for some of the time. Wait, the progress is going on. So friends, our yes, estimated time is over. Now it will ask you where do you want to save it again. You can directly send it to Google Drive, YouTube, or Dropbox. Without it, we can click here, or we can open folder, or you can click over here also, minimize it, and then go for your desktop. This is your desktop, and see the title we have given, image slideshow. Just click over here and you will be able to see this. Sorry, yeah, it is open. This is the title page we have given. Now we are going to other. This is the name we have given over here. See, images are going according to your command, whatever the command, whatever the effect we have given in that video. According to that, videos are sliding automatically over here. Last page for thank you page. So in this way you can use this software for the presentation purpose. You can make the images slideshow for official purpose or your own personal use, and for presentation purpose it is very good. I hope you understood it and you are going to do it. Thank you very much.